Welcome back to the review of the OnePlus 9 Pro. Before we begin with the review, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and also if you like the video, so if you find it helpful, please subscribe and like the video. And after subscribing, please turn on the notification bell so that you can get all notified whenever we upload a new video. So let's begin with the review.
So guys, as we go, we get to know the OnePlus 9 Pro is a very good mobile. So OnePlus 9 Pro is released on 24 March 2021, and it is brand is OnePlus. As you guys know, model is a 9 Pro. It's released on 23rd March, as I guys told you. Its price is a 64,999, which is a 65,000 basically when you round it off. It is launched in India. Form factor is touchscreen. Its dimension is 163.20 into 73.60 into 8.70 with a weight of 197 grams with a battery capacity 4500 mAh and removable battery which is not there, and a fast charging which is proprietary, with the colors are pine green, astral, black, morning mist, and that are the colors. And when we go to the display, we get to know that this phone is having a screen size of a 6.70 inches with a touch screen, and its resolution is a 1440 into 3216 pixels with a protection type of Gorilla Glass, and its pixels per inch is 525. Now, when we go to the hardware, processor is an octa-core, and processor make is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8088, and RAM is an 8GB, and internal storage is 128GB.
When we go to the camera, it is rear camera is 48 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and 8 megapixel, which leads to 3 rear camera setup with a rear autofocus and rear flash. And front camera is 60 megapixel, which leads to only one front camera. Software is Android 11 as we are in 2021, and skin is Oxygen OS 11, and connectivity is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi standard supported is 802.11, A by V by N, Z by N by AC, and GPS is there. Bluetooth is also there, version 5.2, NFC, USB Type C. Number of SIMs is 2 of them, which is SIM 1 and SIM 2. SIM type is nano SIM for both of them, GSM, 3G, 4G or LTE, 5G, and 4G supports in India, which is band 40. Sensors, it's in-display fingerprint sensor, compass or magnetometers, proximity sensors, accelerometers, ambient light sensors, and gyroscope.
So guys, if you guys yeah. So guys, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe, comment, and share. So now let me say this one more time. People actually 30 people unsubscribed this channel, and yesterday there was 184. Right now it is 154 subscribers, and the subscribers are decreasing and increasing after oftentimes. So we will try to appreciate all the people who have subscribed for us. We thank you so much, because you guys have supported us and made us a big difference. And please kindly tell your friends about our channel, and if they tell them to subscribe if they like our content, our video, what all we make. If they like that, tell them to subscribe. Now let me head to the main thing. So if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share. When you subscribe, you'll see a notification button in the side. If you press that, you'll see all personalized and none. Press the all, and you guys will get notified if you see a new video. And if you guys like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we will see you in the next video with a wrap. Bye bye. Tech World signing out. Peace.
And so one thing I want to say that you can find the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Max review right over here, and you will find the Asus Zenfone 8 review right over here, and 2 random videos right over here and right over here, so that you can find it easier to find out some of our other videos in our channel, so that you can watch that videos also. Thank you so much for watching. We are Tech World, and we are signing off.